Hi, this is Tony again. Today I show you with the Toyota Tundra right there, the 2006. You see the body, this the four-door type, but see today I will show you to how to remove the cluster. This car have the cluster, the one gate, the gas gate doesn't work, so that's why I'm just show you how to remove the cluster and how to install back in, right? You can see who have the car like this. You don't know how to take it out, remove it. Follow my video. You will see what I do. Okay, you will see you can do yourself. So, continue to do it. That you got a car.
Here, you see, key on and off. The temperature gauge is not working, but even though the engine was hot, so we just take it up and put the used one in. Okay, and then right here we got a screw. Get it up, the screw here. One. Two. Three. Four. Okay. After we took it up that, release that. Okay. In the back, they had like two connected. One. Here the big one. And the other side was small one. Okay. Now we take it out. That the tool we got today, just this, so we can use this or remove that. So very simple. All right. Now we put the new cluster back in. Okay. Not a new, but a different one in. So. That do revert right by the time you take it up. Okay, turn it on. Everything run normal. Okay, now look at the temperature gauge. See here, up, on. See, it's moving before it doesn't. Okay, now it's everything done. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. All right, we need to put the thing on. Please don't forget to share, subscribe. Thanks again.